Want to capture cinematic aerial shots like a pro? Today, I'm showing you the top 5 powerful 4K to 8K drones with smart features like GPS, obstacle avoidance, and long flight time. From beginners to advanced users, these drones can level up your content instantly. Watch till the end to find the best one for you. Number 5. Looking for a powerful yet beginner-friendly drone? This T3/GT3 Mini drone is a perfect choice for aerial photography and fun flying. It features an 8K HD camera with FPV live transmission, giving you stunning real-time views directly on your phone. With optical flow positioning and obstacle avoidance, flying becomes super stable and safe, even for beginners. The 360-degree flip function and easy controls make your videos more cinematic and exciting. It's lightweight, portable, and comes ready to fly with all accessories included. If you want professional-style aerial shots at an affordable price, this drone is a must-have for your collection. Number 4. Looking for a professional drone that delivers cinematic quality? The L900 Pro Max GPS drone is a powerful 4K camera drone designed for both beginners and advanced users. It features dual HD cameras with 5G Wi-Fi FPV for real-time flying experience. With GPS smart features like auto-return, follow me, and waypoint flight, flying becomes super easy and safe. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance and brushless motors ensure stable and smooth performance even in wind. You get up to 28 minutes flight time and long control range. If you want high-quality aerial shots like a pro, this drone is a perfect choice. Number 3. Looking for an affordable yet powerful drone for beginners? The new E88 Pro RC Drone is a perfect choice for fun aerial photography and learning flying skills. It comes with a 4K/1080 PHD wide-angle camera, giving you clear photos and smooth video recording. With Wi-Fi FPV, you can see real-time footage directly on your phone. Its altitude hold and headless mode make flying very easy, even for beginners. The foldable design makes it portable and travel-friendly. You also get one-key return and stable control for safe flying. If you want a budget-friendly drone with great features, this is a smart pick. Number 2. Looking for a budget-friendly drone with pro features? The professional E88 4K wide-angle drone is perfect for beginners and kids who want to explore aerial photography. It comes with a 4K HD camera and Wi-Fi FPV, letting you see live footage directly on your phone. The altitude hold function ensures stable flight, while headless mode and one-key return make it super easy to control. Its foldable design makes it portable and travel-friendly. With up to 10 to 20 minutes flight time and smooth control, this drone is great for learning and fun flying. If you want affordable quality, this is a smart choice. Number 1. Looking for a professional-grade drone with premium features? The new S2S 8K drone is built for stunning aerial photography and smooth flying experience. It captures ultra-clear 8K HD video with a dual camera system and electronic anti-shake for stable, professional results. With GPS positioning, optical flow stability, and radar obstacle avoidance, flying becomes safer and smarter. Enjoy up to 25 minutes flight time and strong brushless motor performance for powerful control. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. If you want high-quality cinematic shots and advanced features in one drone, this is a perfect choice for you. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.